automakers have just as of late exploited 3D printing. It's been intriguing to see the wide assortment 3D printed parts being put into creation. Smaller than expected now offers adaptable trim and inside pieces. Michelin made an airless 3D printed tire that looks somewhat like a larger than usual sand dollar. The Koenigsegg Adro 1:1 utilizations 3D printed turbochargers. This week, Bugatti declared that it's trying 3D printed brake calipers on the new Chiron. These 8-cylinder settled calipers look wild, highlighting a relatively natural shape that jettison any pointless material with an end goal to shave weight. Customary calipers are restricted fit as a fiddle by the throwing procedure. Aluminum must fill a form, which means there will dependably be some overabundance material. Utilizing a 3D printer enables Bugatti to make the part layer by layer. While most calipers today are produced using aluminum, counting the ones at present on the Chiron, these new ones from Bugatti are made with titanium. The automaker says these calipers are the biggest practical segment made of 3D printed titanium. The shape expands solidness and decreases unsprung weight at the auto's corners. Bugatti says this specific titanium combination is utilized as a part of the avionic business on parts like plane wings and rocket motors. The new calipers weigh 6.4 pounds each, essentially not as much as the 10.8 pounds of the active model. Elasticity is up, as well, which means the parts are both lighter and more grounded than sometime recently. The principal downside of the new part is the to a great degree long generation time. It takes 45 hours to print every individual caliper. That is not by any means excessively of an issue with a restricted generation show like the Chiron. The primary trials will start early this year, and Bugatti would like to decrease the creation time as testing goes ahead. All things considered, don't hope to see 3D printed titanium calipers on a Toyota Camry at any point in the near future.